Today we're making a spiral ornament topiary tree. We appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. We'll start by making a pool noodle topiary tree. So we'll cut the noodle in half, then we'll tape the ends together. Then we wrap the noodle in a white felt sort of snow covering material. Cut that to size. Put the material around the noodle, take your glue gun, and just glue the seams together. And for the stake in the middle of the tree, you'll also want to wrap that in the same material so you don't have a big brown blob in the middle. Then we'll take the noodle and we'll wrap that with a packing tape on top of the stake so we get that straight tip. We used the packing tape so it was clear so it wouldn't show through in the tree. Once your tip is established, start your spiral down the stem and just tape it into place once you get a nice curl. With the spiral topiary tree made, we'll start wrapping it with garland. And for that, you just put a dab of glue on the top and start your garland wrapping. Then just wrap the garland around the tip nicely, and then we'll secure it with a zip tie just to give it some extra strength. Then we'll cut off the excess on the zip tie and continue wrapping around the noodle. Then wrap the bottom of the pot with more snow blanket. With your garland in place, we'll start putting lights around the spiral part of the tree with some zip ties. Then we'll attach some silver leaves from some branches we had, 4 of them. We'll snip them off the main branch and then add them to the tree. And we'll zip tie those branches on as well to give them some security. And after you put your leaves on, don't forget to trim off the zip tie tips. Once the leaves are on, we use 6 boxes of small ornaments and we place them around the spiral part of the tree as well. Just place a dab of glue on the end of your ornament and stick it where you like it. When you put the ornament on, they may droop a little bit, but they'll stay on, so don't worry about that. And just sort of evenly space them around your tree. Hopefully this video will inspire you to give it a try. Thank you for watching.